Rivian established a new startup named Also, which is focused on developing small, lightweight electric EVs. The company has received an investment of $105 million from Eclipse Ventures to support its future growth. Also was initially a secret project within Rivian and is now an independent entity that aims to tackle transportation challenges through the production of electrified products in the micromobility space. The company's flagship product is scheduled for launch in 2026 in the US and Europe, followed by tailored products designed for consumers and commercial use in Asia and South America. This builds on Rivian recently deploying a Level 2 autonomous driving feature called Enhanced Highway Assist for its R1 vehicles via a software update. The technology allows hands-free driving on highways in the US and Canada, although it will be expanded to cover secondary roads next year. Rivian's autonomous stack includes 11 cameras, 5 radar units, and dual NVIDIA Drive Orin processors capable of performing 200 trillion operations per second. The system uses AI-powered machine learning algorithms for decision-making, which are trained using data collected anonymously from Rivian vehicles. Speaking of autonomous automotive technology, Luminar announced a collaboration with Caterpillar aiming to integrate LiDAR technology into Caterpillar's next-generation autonomous solution. The Luminar LiDAR technology will be introduced with Cat Command for hauling, initially targeted for quarry and aggregate operations. This partnership has raised optimism because of the potential to improve safety, productivity, and efficiency in the industrial automotive sector. These developments build on Luminar recently reporting revenue of $75.4 million for 2024, a year-over-year increase of 8%, exceeding analyst estimates by 6.8%. While net loss amounted to $273.1 million, a 52% reduction from the previous year, and EPS was $8.23, surpassing analyst estimates by 45%. Luminar expects 2025 revenue growth to be between 10 and 20% over last year's $75.4 million. In addition, the company also revealed its LiDAR technology had been implemented in Volvo's ES90 car model, which is set to begin production this year. Then watch out for Aduro participating in several investor conferences during April. The company will be attending the Gabelli Fund's 11th Annual Waste and Environmental Services Symposium on April 3rd, where CEO Ofer Vicus is scheduled to speak. After that, they'll be at the LD Micro 15th Annual Invitational from April 9th to 10th, with Vicus also speaking. Then there will be CEM's 13th Annual Scottsdale Capital event between April 11th to 13th. Aduro states they'll use these events to engage investors interested in innovative solutions within the circular economy and chemical recycling sectors. Also, keep an eye on Archer Aviation, which signed an agreement with Ethiopian Airlines to deploy its Launch Edition program of electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft called Midnight. The partnership aims to establish an air taxi network in Africa, beginning in Ethiopia. Archer plans to provide a team of pilots, technicians, and engineers to support the initial deployment of Midnight aircraft, while also exploring other use cases, such as ecotourism. This is the latest in a series of Archer Aviation partnerships, such as with Soracle Corporation, Anduril Industries, and Palantir. Speaking of which, Palantir Technologies reduced its IT team from over 200 to less than 80 employees as part of an effort to decentralize technology operations and increase agility, according to CIO Jim Siders. The company is moving toward a federated approach that integrates tech operations into every operational team in order to level conventional organizational structures. This strategy has allowed Palantir to maintain its infrastructure while cutting staff and expenses, relying on AI-driven solutions for growth in the government and commercial sectors. Then back to EVs, with NIO planning to raise $450 million through share placement for electric vehicle development amidst President Trump's announcement of new tariffs on the auto industry affecting Chinese auto stocks. For more on these and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.